In today's video, we will discuss about metal and acid reaction, metal and base reaction, acid reaction with metal carbonate, and acid reaction with metal hydrogen carbonate. So first of all, what will be the common reaction of metal with acid reaction? Generally, metal react with acid to form metal salt and hydrogen gas will be liberated. And we know that the liberation of hydrogen gas we can check with the help of a burning matchstick. The matchstick will burn with a pop sound. This confirms that the metal and acid react to form hydrogen gas. So there are many examples given here. Different acids react with different metal. So let's check what will be the reaction and how the product will be formed. In the first reaction, the reactant are sodium and hydrogen chloride. Simply you have to combine this negative part, the cation, to the positive part, sodium, and hydrogen will be liberated. This is how you have to complete the reaction. So what will be the product? NaCl plus hydrogen. Now in this reaction we have made NaCl and hydrogen. NaCl is a metal salt and hydrogen gas is liberated. Okay, let's balance the reaction. Hydrogen on the right hand side there are 2, so we have to multiply with here 2, 2, 2. This is the complete balance reaction. Now moving to the second question. Sodium, again the reactive metal react with the king of acid, that is the sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Combine this anion with this cation, Na2SO4 plus hydrogen. Why Na2SO4? Why it is not NaSO4 only? Because the sodium have +1 charge and sulfate have -2. So balancing the charge we have multiplied Na with 2. So now again balance the reaction. Now it is balanced reaction. In the third equation we have sodium with nitric acid. Acid is also a good example of strong acid that is very corrosive in nature. We combine nitrate with the sodium. Product are sodium nitrate and hydrogen gas. This upper arrow represent the evolution of gases there. So balance it. Now it is balanced. Now we have used zinc metal, which is moderate reactive. Hydrochloric acid, we know that it is reactive and corrosive as well. Strong acid it is. So combine this product. Product is zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Very simple reaction. Similarly, the next H2SO4 plus zinc sulfuric acid. So zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. In all the reaction, metal salt is formed along with the hydrogen. Now this reaction is very unique. Why it is very unique? See, nitric acid we have used with sodium. Sodium is very reactive. Sodium salt and hydrogen gas is liberated. But in the case of moderate reactive metal, nitric acid perform different reaction. The product is zinc nitrate, nitrogen oxide plus water. So sometimes the question is why this reaction is different from other than this reaction. Simple answer is nitric acid is oxidizing agent. It will provide oxygen to the another species. Suppose in this reaction hydrogen is formed. So nitric acid will provide extra oxygen so that water will be formed. So in this reaction, nitric acid with zinc reaction, hydrogen is not formed. Instead of hydrogen, water is formed. So let's balance this reaction also. Now this is the balanced reaction. Now I have taken very reactive metal, that is sodium, and I am reacting with a very weak acid, that is vinegar, acetic acid. What will be the product? Instead of hydrogen, remove the hydrogen and connect sodium. This is the product. So the product is same as it is, right? CH3COO. Instead of H, combine Na and hydrogen will be liberated. So in this reaction, this is the again metal salt. Its name is sodium acetate. Zinc nitrate, zinc sulfate, zinc chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium sulfate, sodium chloride. And this is sodium acetate. Hydrogen gas is liberated. Again this reaction, CH3COO whole twice to Zn plus H2. Now why I have taken two acetate ions? Because the zinc have +2 charge and it have -1. So for balancing the charges, we have multiplied acetate with 2. So this is a zinc acetate. Now moving to the potassium and acetic acid. CH3COO plus hydrogen. This is the required reaction. Okay, so this is all about how the metal react with acids. What is the product? Metal salt, hydrogen is liberated. Moving to the metal with the base reaction, again metal salt and hydrogen is liberated. This is a very simple reaction. In NCERT book only one reaction is given and that is important. Okay, that is you need to remember how it will. In this reaction I have taken zinc with NaOH. Zinc moderate reactive, sodium hydroxide strong base. So what will be the product? Na2ZnO2. This is the metal salt, and sometime in the MCQs also the name of this salt is asked. So what is the name? Sodium zincate. This is the name of this particular salt. Now moving to the metal carbonate with the acid reaction. What are the products? Metal salt, water and carbon dioxide. Metal carbonate is simply prepared with the help of combining carbon dioxide with the base. You will get metal carbonate. Now if I react sodium carbonate with HCl, what will be the product? Simple salt. It is simple to prepare this salt. Combine the negative part with the metal part, NaCl, and simply write water and carbon dioxide. This is the simple metal carbonate with the acid reaction. Metal carbonate react with acid to form metal salt, water and carbon dioxide. Let's balance this reaction. 2 sodium atom on the left hand side, so multiply with 2. Here 2. This is the balance reaction. Instead of HCl, now I have taken sulfuric acid. Simply again combine the negative part with the metal, Na2SO4 plus water plus carbon dioxide. This is the required product and this is the balance reaction. You can check the number of atoms on the both hand side. Now zinc carbonate is react with HCl. Combine the negative part with the zinc, ZnCl2 plus water plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide will be liberated in all the cases. Why zinc chloride ZnCl2 is formed? Because zinc have +2 charge, chlorine have -1. For balancing this charge, we have multiplied Cl with 2. Okay, and this is okay. We have to balance it to multiply with 2 here only. This is balanced. Now in the next reaction, potassium carbonate react with sulfuric acid. This reaction I am giving you as a homework. Please complete the reaction and write the both products in the comment box. Now the metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid reaction is very similar to the metal carbonate and acid reaction. Same products will be formed. Metal salt, water and carbon dioxide. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate, react with HCl. What will be the product? Again, same thing, NaCl plus water plus carbon dioxide. And for balancing this, I think we didn't have to multiply with anything because this is the balanced reaction. So this is all about the chemical properties of acid and bases. How the acid react with metals, how the metal react with base, metal carbonate and acid reaction, and metal bicarbonate with acid reaction. For more videos, please subscribe the channel and please do like and share this video with your friends and classmates. Thank you so much.